Welcome to the installation of the Imbzbk screen protector video. If you like this video at the end, please consider commenting, liking, and subscribing. And there will be a link in the description below for this screen protector if you decide to purchase one. So we have our little phone pad. We're gonna put our phone on the pad. We have our little guide we're gonna stick into the phone jack. Now for our lens, we're gonna throw off to the side for now. I'm gonna peel back that, and I might wipe it off anyways because it does look like there is a little residue. And with it, there is a dry wipe. First off, take your wet wipe, get all around the edges of your phone. Second step, we're going to take our little dry microfiber. We're just going to get the rest of the residue from the wet wipe off. Lastly, we're going to take our dust absorber, peel it off. Until it looks like most of the dust is off. Next, we will take our screen protector off and just follow the instructions here. Push down on the line. Take our card that is in our pack. Peel up this side here. Now we're going to push down on our sides. And peel up. I'm just gonna wanna rub real quick on the sides here to make sure that you got a clean and solid straight, and voila, your phone protector is on. If you do it correctly, you will have 0 bubbles at all, just like this. No bubbles at all, and I'm actually pretty proud of myself that it went on this easy. But like I said, highly recommend this screen protector, and voila, look at that. Look at that. Look at how well it works. Wow. The fingerprint, fast, perfect, easy. I love it. We're not finished yet. I'm gonna put my phone case on real quick. Again, this is the VRS Designs Damda Glide Hybrid, and we're gonna flip the phone over. Now, one thing we do need to do is we need to open up our wet wipe again, and we just want to wipe down our camera lenses real quick. We're gonna do the same process. I'm gonna take the dry wipe. We're gonna fold it up this time. Just gonna go around the lens really good. We want to make sure that the lenses are completely dry. And I'm gonna use my dust absorber again. Just to make sure no dust gets on it. And we're just gonna flip this up and carefully put our lens protector on. And voila, we are completely done the installation of the camera lens protection as well as the screen protector protection. So anyways guys, if you want to buy this screen protector kit, I will have a link in the description below. Other than that, take care, take it easy, enjoy your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and I hope you like this video. So please like, subscribe, comment. I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy, and bye-bye.